Hello, 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 everyone. Oh my days. Hello, Nika. Hello, everyone. Hello, Kyle. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for the, wala pa. It's like 50 minutes. So, how are you doing, everyone? My name is LTG. Maling screen. Hello, everyone. This is actually me just chilling right now and just actually waiting for my birthday, you know. Just waiting for my birthday with a lit candle, with a lit candle chat. So, how are you doing? Every single one of you. Hello, Curbs. Hello, everyone. Um, how are you doing? How you doing? How you doing, everyone? We're just actually waiting. I'm just actually, ano flavor ng cake? Ano lang yan? Yung classic na vanilla flavor. Ano, Kyle? No, we're just actually just chilling and uh for some reason like uh the TikTok stream is not working as intended as of this moment, so I can't. Hello Z, thank you so much for liking. Hello Binsmark, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you so much. By the way, I forgot to mention advance happy birthday. I have to sleep early. Thank you so much, Z. Thank you so much, Z. Babati muna ako ng hello, Neko. Welcome to this important. Ay, nakita mo naman yung birthday countdown on the top. So, it is somewhat, thank you so much, Neko. Thank you so much for the advance happy birthday. By the way, if you want to like dedicate, yeah, if you want to like dedicate, uh, the quote unquote the birthday quote unquote command, so you can actually see that on the chat. And thank you so much. Dahil baka matutulog naman. Okay lang, Neko. Okay lang, Neko. By the way, if you want to go on to the special events chat, probably I will stream tomorrow for your submissions, yung mga submissions ng dedications and stuff earlier na nakikita ko sa Thank you so much for sharing. And I really loved it. I really love the cake that I set up on the stream. Hindi lang aligned yung wait lang. Hindi lang aligned yung uh cake for some reason. Why? I don't know why, but I will align the flame. Yeah. I will align it. Yan. Okay na. So it is somewhat important that I can actually celebrate this birthday. Thank you so much. Hello Nox, hello Axel, welcome to the stream. How you doing, everyone? We're so close at having my birthday today. Hello Hoshi, welcome to the streams. Every single one of you, chat. For some reason, there's still a problem on my TikToki that I can't actually connect my TikToki for some reason. I think I need to reauthorize my TikTok account for the dumbest reasons. I actually hello Saya, welcome to the stream. Hello Kim, welcome to the stream, everyone. Sadly, I can't showcase a lot of stuff in here because I'm lagging. I'm constantly lagging right now on the multi-stream. I think I need to probably change it to Atom. Hello Sai, welcome to the stream. Hello Sai. Hello everyone. Wala pa, 46 minutes pa. Yeah. So, I will probably add evening. Hello Sai, how you doing? Sai, if you want to go up, nasa Discord server ako right now. So if you want to actually add me on dito, add you as a host, you can actually do that right now. yung nakikita ko like a lot of a lot of streams na nag-celebrate ng birthdays like sobrang sobrang ano lang, sobrang intricate, sobrang ano like me just me just a simple guy. I can go up right now, night duty. Okay lang. And saludo sa mga team leader, sa mga nagtatrabaho ngayong sobrang late na trabaho. So, yeah. I'm here to witness the countdown. I think if the countdown is good, there's a scene that I will showcase. Yeah. There's a scene that I will showcase after that. Hello, C. Hello, C. Thank you so much for liking the live. Ay, oo nga pala. I forgot the ano. I forgot the commands. I forgot the commands to turn it on. Yan. Thank you so much for sharing the live, C. C ba o Sai? ano ba maganda? C. Parang nabasa na yun sa Hanya Kuya with here. Hello, Hanya. Welcome to the stream. I'm just actually chilling right now. Just waiting if I can actually do my quote unquote birthday stream in peace. Hello, Lexia. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. May pasabog by wait what? Wait what? Wait what? Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lexia. By the way, if you want to do dedications, exclamation point birthday. Yan. Birthday. Exclamation point birthday. And you can actually see the birthday link. Yeah. So if you want to send some dedications or stuff, you can actually send it right now. Actually send it right now if you want. So by the way, I think I need to fix something on the birthday kasi dapat HBD na lang ilagay ko dito kasi nagko-conflict sa isang birthday na set na birthday checking or something. So, wait a minute. I think I need to oh, who flashbang? I love Binsmark. Sayang wala pa tayong job application flashbang. I will probably add that next time. But what the heck is happening? Like, why I'm on here? Hello, Agora. Thank you so much for the happy birthday. I really appreciate it. Wait a minute, kasi ayusin ko lang yung chatbot ko. Kasi babaguhin ko yung HBD. Yan. Yan na lang, para mas mabilis. HBD na lang yung ating title. Yan. Ow! I'm dead. I'm dead shot. Ayan, HBD na lang kasi medyo hello Lumix, welcome to the stream. Hello Dea. Thank you so much for sharing the live stream. Kamusta? Kamusta kay everyone? Currently just waiting for me to grow old. To grow old again. Grow old with you. Like I can actually just chill and just vibe with you guys before the incoming birthday. Yeah. So after that, I will read the dedication page for the first time, and then after that the second time. So it is pang early birthday ko sa okay. Hello everyone. I'm still here. Currently my tech talk is doing the funny right now. I don't know why. Hello, MM. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Hello, Bird. Hello, Bird. Hello, Bird, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, 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 Bird. Welcome to the stream. Good evening, Dea. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Um, currently, what topic do I actually want to talk about? Because I think there's a lot of topics that I want to talk, but I don't have the courage to do so. So I need I bring the wine. Thank you so much, Dea. Yeah, wait a minute. Imagine if I can actually get a wine. Is there a wine prop on the? Wait a minute. Is there a wine prop on the screen? Wait a minute. I will check. I will check. Glass. No, it's just glasses. There's no prop. Dang it. There's no wine. No, there's no wine prop for some reason. I don't know why. But anyways, thank you so much, Dea, for the happy birthday. And ano yan? Sana ba may umamuso may command dito? No. Uh, I don't know how to actually set it up. So, well, if I actually set it up, probably I will add the umamuso me emote, but not now. Thank you so much for the Thank you so much for the wine and the birthday cake. I'm actually just waiting. It's like 39 minutes. 39 minutes before my birthday, chat. And I'm excited. Ako nga pala hanggang alauna tayo ng madaling araw because, I found Siggins in my backyard. Pigeons? The pigeons? Is that a pigeon or no? Is that a pigeon? Like, I don't know what I actually say right now, but I want to give thanks to all of you guys that you are actually supporting me and all this time. I really really appreciate it, guys. Yeah, I really really appreciate it. Um, there's still a lot of there's a lot of things that I currently want to watch or want to do on my stream, but sadly I don't have one. Sadly I don't have one. Wait, it is like 38 minutes before my birthday. So, medyo matagal pa. Medyo matagal pa, chat. Medyo matagal pa. Uh, so, sige, sige. Ano kaya magandang gawin? Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano talaga gusto kong gawin sa stream ko, but I think sige. Habang wala pa, sige manood muna tayo ng mga manood muna tayo ng mga stuff on the internet. Wait a minute. I will add some sources for a little while. Wait a minute, chat. Kasi I didn't add my sources in the OBS. So wait a minute. Huh? Okay. So brave mama mama mama. These are the ones that we got. She what you wish, we what you not. It's a big thing back on the memories of everything be bitter. Ayan. Add ko, lagay ko dito sa kabila. I will add on the yan. Hello Agora, welcome to the stream. How you doing? So, not gonna lie, there's still a on the YouTube side. So, there's still there's still a lot of things that I want to react. Like, I will add the next time. Hello Rio, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Uh, Wait a minute, kasi I think I need to crop this. para hindi makita yung ano. Yan. Yan. So, there's still an ano, there's still like I really want to talk about like kalimutan ko kung anong ano yan. Kalimutan ko anong ah ano like I think sige check na natin yung birthday Renly natin. Hello Rio. Ayan. Ayan na yung mga nagsasend ng recognition board sa akin. Sige, I will check the Renly board right now. So, here we go. Here we go, chat. Hello, Rio. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing, everyone? We are checking the board as in right now. So, sabi daw ni Hari, happy birthday, Kuya LT. Jersey, Kuya Christian, by the way. I wish you have a good day. Hindi ako si Christian PH. Again, hindi po ako si Christian PH. Ha? Sabi ni Melmark, happy birthday, bro. Enjoy your special day. And wishing you the best. Gambate. Thank you so much, Melmark. Thank you so much, Melmark. Sabi ni MC, reach for the stars. What stars? It's sunny. Happy birthday to you, the person who flashbanged me 4 times in one stream. Congrats, my eyesight is blurry. Yeah. Your eyesight is blurry now after the flashbang that I've done on my Kalbo streams. That would be funny. That would be funny, not gonna lie. Happy birthday. Okay. Nya, happy birthday, Nya. I hope you have a fantastic birthday. Happy birthday to you. You belong to us. Like a monkey. Like a donkey. Like a gorilla. Izu. Thank you so much, Izu. Sabi na, Sabi na Riri, hello po, happy birthday po sa inyo. I'll always root for you and sana po alagaan niyo po yung health niyo. Oh, thank you so much, Riri. Looking for more streams. Thank you so much, Riri, for the Thank you so much, Rio. Thank you so much, Rio. By the way, if you want to join the the birthday dedication, yan yung link. Oh wait, someone draw me a fan art? Wait, someone draw me a fan art? Oh my days. Someone draw me a fan art. Okay, wait a minute. Who is this? Si Ira. Happy birthday, Kuya LTG. Wishing you more candles to blow. Blesses you with good health and an enjoyable life. Continue what you do and be true to yourself as always. Oh, hello, Jules. Welcome to the stream. Sabi daw ni Pagong, I honestly don't know yours. I just account 5 minutes ago. Happy birthday, more birthdays to come. Tomorrow is bukas, kaya dapat pagdaan mo at enjoy ang bawat araw sa buhay mo. Sana bigyan ka na Diyos ng healthy life, long life, and happy life. I may be a stranger, but I am also a person like you. Don't down yourself. Always have confidence in what you do, and may you're very successful in your hobbies career. Good luck and God bless. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pagong. Thank you so much, sabi ni Ira, happy birthday, Kuya LTG. Someone give me a fan art. Someone draw me a fan art right now on the chat. Give it up for Ira. It is so good. It is so good. It is good. It is a good It is a good hello Aster, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Wishing you more candles of kanina pa to. Sabi na ni Shi, happy birthday Kuya Saitama. You are Kuya Saitama with hair forever. Thank you so much. Hello Aster, welcome to the stream. Hello, Mafioso. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Ah, sabi ni Fries, Happy birthday RPG. Thank you sa pag-host ng Jackbox. Sana makuha mo na yung 5090 GPU na pangarap mo. More pera to come. Wish ko para sa'yo mahulog na 20 million sa harap ng bahay mo galing sa aeroplano. grabe si Price. Hello, and welcome to the stream. How you doing? I'm actually, dito. I'm actually, uh, dito. I'm actually checking your quote-unquote, dedication, on, on the stream. Yeah. Happy birthday, LTG. I know we haven't played. Cicela. I hadn't played much at Talk yet, but you're literally a vibe and I've enjoyed the time. TGT. Together, okay? I hope you have a wonderful day ahead filled with love and happiness. So more collabs and streams together. Thank you so much, Sela. Thank you so much, Sela. Sabi na ni Luca sa akin, Happy birthday, LTG. Train ka pa ng horses mo. Train ka pa ng horses. Wait. You dropped something. Sige. I will refresh it. Huwag ka mag-alala. Happy birthday, LTG. I wish na magkaroon ka ng magandang pagbabuhay at mahabang streams. So yeah, happy birthday bro, LTG, and happy streaming. Laro na agad tayo ng Umamusume o Carlab. Oh yeah, yun nga eh. I really want to, have Umamusume again. Yeah. I really want to have the Umamusume time again. Okay. Another year older and so much more baldness. From the moment I first met you, when Purple I first met you, first went live, you just brought the incredible energy to every stream. The way go to ltg.network/birthday. Nasa bio ko. Nasa bio ko. Nasa bio ko ngayon, Ann. Yeah, it's on my bio. Yeah. Okay, balik tayo kay Lexia. From the moment I first met you, first went live, you just brought the incredible energy to every stream. The way you laugh, interact with chat with us, and bring your whole personality to life with it, that makes your streams feel like home. Aww. Whenever you're gaming, goofing off, or just vibing with Dutch, Juju, Ellie, and others, you make every viewer feel like a friend. Here's to another year of growing to that amazing community, hitting the new viewer milestones, and leveling up in every way. Wishing you a tons of fun and all the success you deserve. Keep being you, King Nuclear Reactor and Tesla. Thank you so much, Kuwara, for following. Kahit na alam ko na nag-refollow ka sa akin. King Nuclear Reactor and Tesla ko, the VTuber wouldn't be the same without your spark. Have the absolute best day, eat all the cake, and know the whole fan is cheering you on. Much love and warm hugs on your birthday. Love, Lexia. Aww. Wait lang. Download ko yung image ni Ira. Lagay ko sa stream. Wait lang. Lagay ko sa stream. Ito minute, lagay ko sa stream. Ball. Anong ball ka dyan? Anong ball? Okay. Ayan na naman tayo, Kuwara. Naman tayo. Here we go again, chat. Here we go again. Wait lang ilagay ko lang sa Mi1Tro. Well, Torment. Wait lang. Ilagay ko lang yung yung picture ni dito. Yeah. Yan. Lagay natin dito. Ayan. Basta check mo yung pasabog. I already checked it, Lexia. Already checked it. Thank you so much, Sephi, for the follow. Really appreciate it. Ayan, nilagay ko na yung image na happy birthday in the chat. So, yeah. I'm still actually check natin kung may nag-send na or something. Hindi pa alam. Wala pa. So, we're still waiting. If you want to send the message right now, you can go to my link in the bio right now if you want to send, or on the purple app HPD exclamation point HPD in the chat. So yeah, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nandito. Someone flushy him. Bigyan niyo ako pera. Hello Keisuke, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Again, yung Bornde is on the bio, link in the bio. Yeah. It's the Bornde the Bornde dedication something. Hello Zappy, welcome to the stream. How you doing, everyone? And I hope that you're good, you're fine, and I hope that you are happy that I'm here again. I'm here again. And by the way, if you want to see it full, andun sa purple app. Doon ka sa purple app kasi gusto ko mag pero okay lang Kuwara. Hindi ko compulsory. Yeah. Hello Dea, hello Aster, welcome back. Wait lang. Can I actually add a text file? Wait lang. Wait lang. I will add a text file para hindi malito yung mga chat dito kasi dami nagtatanong ng eh. Thank you so much Zephyr for the heart me. Okay. Ayan yung link. Dito sa baba. Lagay ko sa baba. Ayan, ilagay ko na sa baba. So, para hindi kayo malito. Ayan. We're good. Okay, we are good. We are fine. We are fine right now. I added something on the quote-unquote OBS. So, you can actually see that right now. Kaya LTG is turning 20. No, I'm not 23. Matanda pa ako dyan. Matanda pa ako sa 23 Kuwara. Hello Dea, welcome to the stream. How you doing every single one of you chat? And I already dropped the link on the ang tanong kita ba? Ang tanong kita ba? Ewan ko kung kita ba yan or something, hindi ko alam. Basta sinecheck ko lang yung mga dedication link ninyo if there's one. By the way, there's a Valentine's event next time on the Umamusume daw. Sabi na may Valentine's event daw na mangyayari. I really love the dedication kit that I have. 22 minutes before we go on my birthday right now. He's turning 30. Oh no, Kuwara. No, I am not 30. Hello, Emiko. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hello, Emiko. Hello, how you doing? So, hindi nga ako. Oh my days ko. Hindi. No, I am not that actual old. Like, talagang lolo. Hindi ako ganun, ha? Yung ganun. Yan, lagyan natin yung So, 8. Hello, Jin. Welcome to the stream. How you doing, everyone? Currently, doing fine. Aray. Thank you so much for the throw. Hello, Jin. Welcome to the stream. Kamusta kayo? And I'm still waiting if there's anything na mag-a-add ng like magre-reload lang ako. Parang wala pa as of now. Yeah, wala pa as of now yung Thank you so much for liking the live, Emiko. Yeah, thank you so much for liking the live. I'm just actually waiting for my born day to come up, and I hope that I can actually say that I am an ang status. I'm an ang status now on streaming. Hello Jin. Welcome to the stream. Uh Paano na lang ha if there's anything na gusto niyong pumunta sa gusto nyo pumunta sa wait, you're done? Wait, you're done? Wait lang. Okay. Sabi daw ni ayan, nakita ko na. Ito na. Dear Charo M. Hello, my Kuya Balby. Happy birthday. I just want to thank you for being my big brother. And for the times I needed comfort most, you're a part of my beloved people who are there. Thank you so much for the collabs, funny moments with you, and Miss Dutchy with Juju. I miss your bald spot, but I am starting to like your hair anyway. You are the treasure itself. I'm glad that I met you because became friends with you. You're my kuya and always be my kuya. Love. And happy birthday again, Kuya LTG. Naglabas ng Yakult. Hello, Lexia. Welcome to the stream. Anong chat I'm turning 85? Hindi. Hello, Benchmark. Welcome to the stream. Grabe kayo sa akin. Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo? Ba't kayo ganyan? Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo? Ba't kayo ganyan, ha? Ano ba ginawa? Di lang kita, pero if you want to see it fully, you can see it on the purple app. Yeah. Ayan. If you want to see it fully, you can see it on the purple app. Kasi kapag finol ko to, baka madali na naman ako. Yung sabi ko, baka madali na naman. I really love the dedications that I'm actually having right now. And thank you so much for the dedications that I've Is the rock roll on? Penge cake? Wait lang. Sabi daw, manghihingi siya ng cake. Wait lang ha. Yan. Gusto mo ng cake? Okay, wait lang. Gusto mo ng cake? Sandali lang ha. Sandali lang. Where's the slice? Wait lang. Nasaan na yung slice? Ayan. Ito na yung slice mo. Ayan na. Wait lang. I-rotate lang natin. Ayan na yung slice. Ayan. Bibigay ko sa'yo. Bibigay ko na. Ayan na. Bibigay ko na. Bibigay ko na sa chat right now. Hello, Aster. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Ayan, bibigay na natin sa chat. I will give it to the... Ay, sino yun? Hello, Adrian. Thank you so much for the Thank you so much for the pagbate. Hello, Aster. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. By the way, again.
Oh, hi.
By the way, again, if you want to if you want to quote unquote celebrate your birthday, ayan, ito naman yung link sa Yeah. Here we go. Ayan, bigyan na natin yung cake. Kay Ann. Ayan. I will give the cake to you right now, Ann. Ayan.
Oh, hi.
Wait lang. Paano ba Hello, Benchmark. Kanina ka pa. Ayan. Yan, kakainin mo na. Kainin mo na yung cake. Yan. Kainin mo na yung cake. Kainin mo na yung cake. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Nom. Oh, yan. Ayan, nakinain na. Ow! Who? Oh my days. Vince Mark, why do you want to flashbang me? Why? Hello, Ann. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Why do you want to flashbang me on that? Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo? Yeah. I saw the old LT. Oh my days. Yeah, I'm old. Nabusog ka sa creek. Yan, yan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, Daya. Welcome to the stream. Hello, every single one of you, chat. 15 minutes before we play the dedication automatically. We play the dedication birthday dito quote unquote dedication birthday thingy majig that I've actually having. So check natin kung may nag-comment pa. Sadly wala. Yeah, wala pa. Pero I really love the art that I'm receiving on the Thank you a lot. Thank you so much, Dea. Cheers for for the live. Yeah. Cheers for a lot of at exactly 12 p.m. No, I will disable the Rickroll for a little while. Yeah, I will disable the Rickroll for a little while, so you cannot actually do that. Kasi I have a quote unquote I have a quote unquote chat sa TikToky, wag muna kayo magsabi ng forbidden. Yeah. I will disable the automatic KPH. Okay, I will disable it meanwhile dahil automatic may birthday dedication. Baka kasi mag-crash yung OBS at madali pa ako, ha? biglang mag-crash, hindi na ako nag-stream. By the way, ayan. Sa mga hindi pa nakakain ng cake, ayan, lagyan natin yung cake. Ayan. Ito na yung slice. Ha? Kainin na. Kainin na yung slice. Oh, kainin na. Ayan. Oh. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan. Thank you so much, guys, for eating the cake slice. Nakakuha ka ng slice. Aray. Thank you so much for the torment. As always. Dea, how are you doing? Thank you so much for the, wait lang. Me don't like cake too too sweet. Wait. See you. Yeah, see you on the other side, guys. Like 30 minutes before we celebrate my actual birthday. 13 minutes before we celebrate my actual birthday. So also I'm on DC right now. I'm on Discord. If you want to actually go up, nasa special events channel ako ngayon. If you want to actually go up on the Discord, you can actually do that right now. Refresh daw. Quick. Daga variant. Happy birthday. Daga variant. Oh my days. What if exactly 12 p.m. we got flashbang? Hindi kayo ma-flashbang kasi magpe-play ka agad yung quote unquote birthday song. So no, hindi kayo ma-flashbang. Si Jane Doe din daw babate. Wait. Nasaan daw? Nasaan si Jane Doe? Huh? Licks quicks. Oh my days, Anne. It is funny. It's funny. Okay. Ikaw, old version. Si Jane Doe din nababati ng happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Also, kung gusto nyong hindi ako magpag-isa, nasa Discord ako ngayon. Andun ako sa stage channel as of this moment. So, if you want to come up, you can actually do it. Hello and welcome to the stream again. Hello XVH, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Kamusta ka? Hello Kira, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? By the way, I really love the fan art that I've actually received. Thank you so much, Ira, for this wonderful fan art. I really Hello, kagising ko na. Hello, Kira. How are you doing? Thank you so much for just dropping by. And it is like 10 minutes before my actual birthday. Yeah, 10 minutes before my actual birthday, chat. So, aray. Thank you so much for the Rosa. Oh my days. Rosa, thank you so much for the quote unquote Rosa and for the 10 melons that I've actually received right now. Thank you so much. Kira, how you doing? By the way, if you want to dedicate my the birthday, ayan yung link nasa baba ng ating ng anang chat. Thank you so much for the donut. Wait a minute. Oh no. Wait, is donut? Magkano ba donut? Wait lang, magkano ba donut? Hindi nag-trigger eh. Wait lang. Magkano ba donut? $30? $30? Well, here we are, chat. Ow. Here we are, chat. Thank you so much for the rose, Anne. Ow. Ow. Ba't hindi nag-trigger yung 30? I don't know why, but thank you so much for the Kira. Thank you so much for the Kira. Thank you so much for the flashy Kira. Thank you so much. I joined. Wait. Meron na ulit? Wait lang. Ayan. Angatin natin invite to speak. Ayan. Gusto mo yan. Yan may aangat na sa stream natin, chat. Wait a minute. Hello, Anne. Hello, Anne. Welcome to the stream.
LTG.
How are you doing?
I'm currently watching right now.
Yeah, I'm currently watching the quote-unquote scop stream that I have. It's like 8 minutes before... Wait, refresh daw. Refresh daw, sabi ni Kuwara.
So yun na nga. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa mga nandito na yon.
Or should I say,
Alam ko na tao dito.
Bakit hindi kita marinig dito, Kuya LTG?
Anong hindi marinig?
doon nata siya naka-open mic siya siguro to sa mic. Sa stream,
Maybe.
maybe.
Naka-open mic sa
maybe.
stream.
Maybe.
Di tayo niya
Okay.
naririnig kung nasa siya. Sa stage.
Okay,
Nasa
thank you.
Oo.
Okay, thank you.
Wait lang.
Bro, rinig mo kami? Rinig mo kami?
Ayan, okay na?
Rinig tayo niyan to.
Ayan, okay na?
Rinig tayo niyan.
Okay na? Yeah, okay na.
Rinig tayo.
Okay na yung okay na
Hi,
yung
Welcome, Chad.
hello. Dinig kayo. Siyempre dinig kayo.
Bagong showcase.
Yan. Wait lang, may nag-send kanina eh. Ano yung sinend niya, Happy
Tipong
birthday,
ganun.
old man. I hope you enjoy it.
Rinig ka namin, Kuya LTG. Like,
Ah,
sa
Hindi.
stream mismo. But here sa Discord, we can't hear you.
Oh,
Why?
wait lang
we can hear you, but your stream.
Yeah.
Sa stream. Let's go. Wait.
Ayan, okay na?
Yun, nadali din.
Ayun, nadali ko.
Yun.
Hello, Vince Mark. Hello, Ann. How you doing? Hello, Akamixi.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Hep, hooray! Hep, hooray!
Let me check if we still have wine left.
Yeah.
Oy.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Check ko lang.
Ako. Ninitira pa ako na natanggal yan.
Oy, baka maano tayo dito. Wag naman ganun.
Uy, Yakult dapat, Yakult.
Yakult dapat.
Yakult dapat.
20. Adult
Yakult
What?
dapat. Baka madali pa ako dyan mga ginagagawa niya eh.
Hindi pa bata. Hindi pa bata. I'm adult na. I'm 20. Don't worry. I'm 20 years
Kuya
old.
LTG, what's your wish?
Mamaya,
Um,
hintayin natin.
What's,
May-
what's
hindi
your
sa-
wish?
Say,
Mamaya.
Muna.
mamaya.
Wag muna.
Edi mamaya,
Oo.
edi mamaya, edi mamaya.
May timer pa, may timer pa.
Mamaya pa,
Ba't ka
5.
alam lang? Ba't ka galit?
Ayan, i-blow natin yung candle after, after the video. Ayan.
Yeah.
After the video, i-blow natin yung candle. We have
Si Barda,
Soj.
Miss Ojo daw. Uy! Sana all. Miss Ojo si boss. Peng
Sana
kami.
all. Sana
He wish
all.
to get 10
Saan?
You wish to get dropped by 10 pianos.
No! Tama, isa-isa lang. Kasi hindi mo ka na, di ba? Like last
Well, I
time.
got been
Piano talaga.
Ayan na.
Oh my gosh.
yeeted by 10 pianos, chat.
Damn.
Oh no. No, don't hurt the birthday boy. Don't hurt the birthday boy, Chan. Don't hurt the birthday boy.
Don't hurt the birthday boy, guys. Don't.
Huwag yung saktan yung araw.
Oh, masakit. Masakit yun.
5 minutes,
may
5 minutes
buhok na pala
remaining.
siya.
Let's go. Let's go. 5 minutes
Oh
na
my
lang.
God, 11:55. 10.
Wala pa. Wala pa, Vince Mac. Wala pa, wala pa, Ann.
Wala pa, chill lang.
Chill lang.
Okay. I'm chill.
Blushy
Bago
looks
pa.
like it would hurt.
What?
Yung
What?
flashy para malambot daw.
Para manambot lang, para manambot.
Slushy.
Oo.
Of course,
Yung
it's
piano mas
slushy.
masakit. Yung kanina
Ah.
ginawa
Yeah.
piano.
Bakit kasi 10 piano yung...
Piano
Ba't,
pa ata.
bakit kasi 10 piano yung dinato niya sa akin? Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo? Ano ba ginawa ko sa inyo, ha?
Ano ginawa sa inyo? Ba't 10 na yung piano?
Pinalik mo na raw kasi yung wig mo.
Oo.
4 minutes, guys.
I think
Before-
they're disappointed.
They're disappointed.
There's one audience
Wait,
for
wait, wait.
LPG.
Wait a minute.
Yes, Sashi.
Copying mainit. Invite to speak. Yan.
Yan na.
Hello, Yasashi.
Hello,
Welcome to the
Yasashi.
stream. Hello, Shigs. Thank you so much for
Welcome.
liking the live.
Oh, Shinx! Hi,
Shinx.
Shinx!
Itong
Hey,
Shinx. Ito si Shinx, Yakult Connoisseur yan. Yakult Connoisseur.
Yan si Yakult.
yes.
Oy, asan na yung Yakult ni LTG, Shinx?
Oo,
Bigyan niyo ako
Shinx,
ng
nasaan na?
bigyan niyo ako ng Yakult
Asan
dyan.
na yung Yakult ni Kuya LTG?
Bigyan nyo na.
I think it's gonna get piano and flushy at exactly 12 p.m. No,
Isa-isa lang.
wag
Asan na
muna.
yung ano?
Wag muna kasi may magpe-play na may magpe-play na video.
Kanta.
May
Oo.
magpe-play na video. So no.
85
Wag muna kayo
pesos
magboto.
na Yakult kasi
Kasi hindi
85 years
makikita
old
yan.
ka na daw.
Hindi
Hello,
nga
hello daw,
85
sabi ni
years
Shinx.
old. Hindi nga 85 years old.
Hello, Shinx.
Yung
Shinx,
85 years
Nagsabi,
old, chat.
85 ka na raw.
Oo.
Grabe ganyan ba ako katanda? Hindi naman ganun katanda. 3 minutes before. Ito na Yakult. Let's go! Let's go!
Yan na, yes.
Oh my
yan na.
gosh.
Let's go!
Ayan na.
Let's go!
Yakult
Ayan.
gatas yan.
Wait lang, kuhanin ka lang yung Yakult namin dito sa ano. Yan, wait lang.
Tara. Kukunin ako.
Titignan ko na tong world clock. Okay.
Also, where's the outfit?
Wait, what?
Ayun ang back.
What's it?
Walang emoji
Ay,
yung Yakult. Wala
Wala.
talaga. Wala
Wala
talaga. Oh my days. 2 minutes. Hello, Tavern. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Oh my days. Hello, chat. I am so excited on what would I actually, like, I actually
I wanna
edit the
watch.
thing. I actually edit the thing that it is a scuffed birthday This is a scuffed birthday presentation. Hello, the Tavern owner. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Advance happy birthday. Thank you so much, Tavern. A minute. Naman tayo ng
2
Yakult.
minutes.
Tayo ng Yakult. Ah. Hello, Z. Kala ko ba Kala ko ba di ka bibisita, ha? Kala ko di ka bibisita. Ngayon ko.
Wait. Wait lang.
Hindi lang.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Shigs. Thank you so much, Shigs. O nga pala, I will...
Mabilisan lang to. Di ako malilate.
Oo nga, hindi. 1 minute
Sige lang.
and 10 seconds remaining. Here we go, chat. Hello, Marco. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Oh my days. 1 minute before the birthday. Let's go. 55.
1 minute na tatlo.
Let's go, let's go. Hello, Kuara. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Let's go. Hello. Ayan na. Oh my days, it's so close. Ayan na. It's so close. It's so close. It's so
Let's go.
close. Ayan na. 30 seconds. Para malilate yata si ano.
Try?
Malilate yata si ano. Malilate si An. 25. 23. Ayan na, 22. 21. 20. Hello,
Nasa na siya?
Ayun na, nasa na si An. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Happy birthday!
Let's go! It's your birthday today. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, chat! It's my birthday, chat! It is my birthday! Yes, go! Let's go! Let's go! Hello, guys! Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Hello, guys! Thank you so much for the heartbeat. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my days! Thank you so much for visiting my birthday. Oh my days! Happy birthday! Let's go! Let's go!
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Woo!
PJ!
Woo! Wait lang.
Guys,
Tapusin
kantahan natin
na.
siya, guys.
Let's go!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Ba't Happy New Year? Ito, ba't Happy New Aray! Thank you so much for the cake! Wait lang. Thank you so much for the birthday cake, guys. Wait lang, dalawang piano yung... Wait lang, dalawang piano yung...
Ito mamaya ko tayo.
Wait lang, dalawang piano yung binagsak mo sa akin. Wait lang, dalawang piano yung binagsak mo sa akin. Wait lang. Ayan. Dalawang piano yung binagsak mo sa akin. Ayan. Happy birthday, let's go. It is my birthday, chat. Thank you so much, guys, for actually dito. Thank you so much, guys, for actually giving me gifts. Wait lang, nawala si Marco. Nawala si Marco. Thank you so much for the seryoso, guys. I really appreciate your dedication. Thank you so much, guys.
Let's go.
I am actually speechless
Okay.
right now. Hello, Kamari. Happy New Year. Ano Happy New Year?
Okay.
Happy New Year.
On three?
Oh, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Luigi. Our beloved son.
Wait lang.
Happy
Bago
birthday,
ko i-blow yung candle,
Go.
Okay.
bago kayo blow yung candle, nagpapasalamat ako, not gonna lie. Papasalamat ako on actually, giving me this kinds of people, kinds of this community that I just cherish for the rest of my life. And I really appreciate your kindness, your patience. Technically, if there's anything on the collabs and other stuff, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for actually wait lang. Thank you so much for actually giving me this kinds of people na talagang sobrang nakakataba talaga ng puso talaga na. Really thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Hello, Fenrir. Welcome to the stream. thank you so much guys na binigyan niyo ako binigyan ko talaga ng like ng motivation ng ganito to basically stream every day na kahit na alam niyo naman na I'm not actually okay right now, pero I'm still streaming. I'm still thriving to stream, and I really want to actually pursue this para makapag para makilala din at kalala. Yeah, thank you so much, Evico. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep now. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. I really thank you guys for wait lang. I really thank you guys for everything that like sa mga collabs, sa mga nandito, sa mga sa community ko actually. Thank you so much guys for supporting me on this to supporting me every single time that I'm streaming. I really thank you so much guys for
We always got your back, Kuya.
having me on your side.
We got you back, bro. Love you.
Thank
We
you
always
so
got
much.
you.
Thank you so much, Ann. I am like lost for words right now, and I love you. Have a best birthday ever. Thank you so much, Z. I will probably do Jackbox streams tomorrow. Okay, I will do Jackbox streams
Oh.
tomorrow. Kung walang bibisita sa akin na wala bibisita sa akin IRL, magja-Jackbox stream tayo tomorrow at 8. Pero ayan, hihipan na natin yung cake. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go, chat.
Okay,
Here we go,
let's
chat. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Let's go! Aray! Let's go! Thank you so much for your awesome Fencer. Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah.
Let's go!
86 na siya, guys.
Anong 86? Anong 86 ka dyan? Na 86 ka dyan, Ann.
Ay,
Happy
hindi
birthday.
ba?
Thank you so much, Kira. Thank you so much, Dea. O nga pala, ang dami nag sa akin. I wish to be flushed.
Wait, Kira's here? Hi, Kira.
Hello, Kira. Welcome to the stream. I wish to be flushed daw. Well,
Wow.
Hey, Kuya.
I'm dead. I'm dead right now, chat.
IRL visit.
Ayan na.
I'm
wala
dead
na.
right now, chat.
Yung flashy.
Hi, Kira.
Oy, di na ako tumayo. Ayan,
Kung
okay
pwede
na.
lang
Ayan, okay na.
akong
Ayan.
Ah.
Kung pwede lang akong lumipad. Yeah.
Thank you so much,
araw-araw kitang
Lukien.
pupuntahan
Thank you
dun
so
sa
much,
inyo.
Lukien. Oh my
Like,
days. Oh my days. Thank you so much for actually thank you so much for coming by in my birthday streams. Thank you so much. Hello. Ayan, sabi daw Ann. Sabi daw Ann.
Yeah.
Sabi daw Ann. Oh, sabi daw.
Yes, Shinx.
Ano kaya sasabihin ni
May
Shin?
sinabi si Shinx.
No, may sasabihin si
Sinabi
Shinx.
ni Shinx.
Ano yan?
May sasabihin si
900 years
Shinx.
old na po siya.
Ann Curtis daw. Ann Curtis. Ann Curtis. Ann Curtis daw, sabi sa'yo, Shinx. I wish you a happy birthday.
No.
Thank you so much, Lukien. Thank you so much, Lukien. I really appreciate sa mga nandito na yan. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. Sinabi ko na kanina. And I will do I will do streams like frequently kasi alam niyo naman puro ako guerrilla streams. Inom na ako ng Yakult. Inom na ako ng Yakult. Okay, let's go. For the
Iinom na
Yakult.
yan.
Ayun na, inom na. Isang basong
Glug, glug,
Yakult.
glug, glug.
Kaya isang baso ng Yakult. This is better than Lexia. Ano? Sabi daw ni Kuwara, sabi daw, this is better than Lexia's Femboys.
Fanboy
Oh my
stream.
God.
Wow. Eh, yo. Isang tumbler na raw na Yakult.
Isang tumbler na, ay, nako po, baka, hindi na Yakult yung mangyari sa akin. Shinx, baka biglang
Ano yan?
hindi na ako nag-stream dahil sobrang linis na ng
Ano yan?
sobrang linis na lang as in malinis na yung stomach ko for some reason. Baka mangyari tayo. Dali tayo niyan. You all missed out on what? Gabi very healthy, sobrang
I think
healthy.
sa Femboy stream.
You want to have the femboys team, huh?
I will
Want
be
to have the
punished
femboys.
later. Oh my gosh.
Imagine if I actually did a mate outfit. Okay, I will.
How? Ayun.
Okay.
Bahala.
Chat.
I do wonder.
I will pass a tawag dito. I will have a ano ba tawag dito? An offer right now.
Offer.
Oh, wow.
Offer.
Sub 100. Hindi, joke lang. Wag.
Oy,
Ano yan?
Isang galaxy.
Hey,
Oh.
And I will change my
Here we go,
model
chat.
right away. I will change my model right away. Like ngayon.
isang galaxy lang guys. Isang
Chat.
galaxy daw.
Chat.
Yan.
Galaxy
Okay.
chat.
Galaxy chat ha? Galaxy.
Galaxy
Baka.
po.
Galaxy ha?
Ayun na, nagsasend na sa akin. Wait lang, nagsasend sa akin si Veronica right now. Happy birthday,
Uy.
LTG. May God bless you with such a
What
beautiful
model daw?
soul. What model?
Check
Made
ko
out.
ulit.
Sabi ko nga made outfit. Okay, made outfit. One galaxy
Check
equals to
daw ni
made
Shakes
outfit.
yung
Okay?
wallet niya.
Yan. Dear LTG, happy birthday. May God bless you with such a beautiful soul and wonderful birthday ever in history. I'm so glad to have you as my friend. May you bless me with happiness and blessings. Amen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday LTG. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations. Mahal kita. Okay? Okay. Okay, brother.
That's so sweet.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday, bro. I wish you the best day, sabi daw ni Marco. Sabi ni Dachi,
Wait.
happy birthday. Yan. Yan. Magsasend
Wait,
sana
where
ako
is
pero
Miss Dache?
20 pesos lang laman.
20.19.
Wait, where is Juju, by the way? Kuya
Si
LTG?
Juju, I don't know what happened to Juju, pero sabi daw ni Juju right now is quote unquote he's still in the hiatus, pero mag-aano siya,
Oh, yeah.
mag-change siya ng pangalan daw.
Uy.
Rebrand.
Mag-rebrand. Yeah.
Yun na.
I see, but what I mean is, bakit wala sila dito? Ayan.
Yan, ayain na si Dutch. Ayun, si Dutch Si Dutch nasa
Where?
Si Dutch is online right now.
Uy.
Sabihin ko, Dutch nasa Discord ako.
Punta ka dito.
Miss ko na si
Yan,
Miss
yan.
Dachi.
Kumarites daw tayo.
Sinend ko
I miss
kay
Mother
Dutchy yung yung model ko right now when it comes to the maid outfit. Okay, ano yun?
Uy. Uy.
Hello Z, welcome to the fan club. I already sent it.
Should I also do birthday stream sa birthday ko? I'm not sure.
Yeah, ikaw bahala. Yeah, you can actually do it. Not gonna lie.
Naman.
I said something sa greeting site mo. Okay, wait lang. Hiatus man din ako, may reason. Yeah.
Okay,
Kasi,
okay.
ang dami kasi, like for example, schools and stuff. Yeah, schools and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Happy
just
birthday,
like-
LTG.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
just,
days.
I know.
Oh my days. Someone actually sent me oh my days. Someone actually sent me a fan art. Happy birthday, LTG. Happy to meet you guys. And, may you overcome all the challenges and be blessed. Thank you so much. Oh my
Salamat,
days.
guys.
A lot of fan art. Thank you so much for Kira for the
That is a nice fan art.
Salamat.
Thank you so much, Kira, for the fan art. Oh my days.
So,
Oh my
nice,
days.
nice.
Hello, Pendler. Thank you so much for liking the live again, chat. Ayan. I will still be here until 1. Yan masabi ko, until 1. So,
One.
Hala.
okay lang, Kira. Walang problema, Kira, sa rush. Walang problema. Basta't maganda yung fan art mo. Okay na yun. Walang problema. Kasi walang problema.
I love Kira's fan art.
I really love
mean,
Kira's fan arts din also. Yeah. Thank you so much for the
masterpiece.
dedications, guys. I really appreciate it sa lahat nandito. Thank you so much. I will go up until 1. So or
Okay.
or kung kaya pa ng kasi I really appreciate your time and effort, guys, to actually nagulat ako sa sa birthday quote unquote sa birthday fan arts ninyo. Seryoso, I really appreciate it. And thank you so much sa lahat na nandito sa lahat na nag-fan art. Talaga, thank you so much. We appreciate you as well, Kuya. Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you so much, Annie.
3
Wait
phone
lang.
gamit ko ATM. Isang laptop.
Thank you so much, Annie.
Wow, multitasking.
Multitasking.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yung tipong naging PC na yung mga cellphone niya.
Kaya no?
Pero kasi,
We got your back. Thank you so much. Hello, Janine. Welcome to the Yeah, you deserve love. Thank you so much, Kira. Like, I'm a wholesome streamer. Yun yung masabi ko. I'm a wholesome streamer. I didn't do like saucy stuff, but kapag if it is some saucy stuff na na ganon, it is probably on Twitch only. On the Purple Up only.
Chi is
Kasi-
here. Si Chi.
Papan ka lang
Hello,
dito.
Chi! Welcome to the stream! Ayan, hello! Oh my days! You're so cute talaga. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my days. Thank you so much. I
Sorry
really,
na Daiko talaga legacy yun.
Guys.
We're not subjected to 8.
pwede
Sorry,
mag-sharon ng handa. Wala nga akong handa ngayon. Tingnan mo nun. Cake lang.
Yeah, raw.
Cake lang.
Punta sa bahay nila, dala mo ng handa.
Yung mga cake lang yung handa ko ngayon. Ano
dala
pa?
mo siya ng
Hati
handa
pa.
kung gusto mo.
Cake pa yung handa ko ngayon. Hati pa.
Yan, yung cake niya doon. Kunin mo.
Ayan. Ayan. Bigyan natin ulit sa mga
Kay Chi.
viewers ang
Viewers.
ang cake slice. So, ayan.
Guys,
Here we go. Ayan.
Tanggapin niya na.
Ayan.
Come
Eddie.
on, chat. It's
Ayan
really
na.
it's delicious.
1, 2, 3.
Inubos ko na po. Inubos ko na.
Ayan.
Bilis.
Happy birthday to me,
All in
chat.
one
Let's
go.
go.
Before pa mabigay sa chat, inubos ko na.
Kaya nga eh.
Matakaw ako, sorry.
It's okay. Sanay na.
Matatakaw talaga yun.
I eat a lot. Pero dito mataba. Visit.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun.
Oh.
Pwede mag-sharon ng handa. Yan yung cake. Oo, yan yung cake lang natin.
Yung cake.
We have a
Kung-
lot of
kung pwede
plastic
lang mag-
here and
Kung pwede lang
Tupperware.
mag-sharon, no? Kung pwede lang mag-sharon ng handa. May ano pa ba ako? May maganda pa ba akong dito? Para wala akong pang-buffet na prop dito eh.
Meron yan. Tatago lang yun dyan.
Catering!
Ayan.
Oh, si Lux.
Ayan. Ibigay ko na
Kuya
sa
Ate
inyo
Chi,
yung
Lux and
ibigay-
Chi.
Who is it?
Kuya Ate Chi.
Ano yan?
Andito si Lux kanina and Chi. Chi is here.
Wait lang. Ayan.
Audience.
Dapat mag-invite. Dapat tao dito. If you want to... Oy, hello, Sam. Welcome to the stream. Hello.
Record!
Ayan.
Hi, Chi.
Hello, Chi. How you
Si
doing?
Lux kanina. Andito si Lux.
Dapat
Ay, hindi
like
na
if you
nakita.
want to just raise your hand basically. Naka-open naman yung raise your hand natin. Ba't wala nag-raise your hand?
Pwede po bang itaas ang paa?
Taas ang
Yun,
paa.
yun. Pwede yun.
Hello, Chi.
Pwede yan, pwede.
Hi,
Itaas
Chi.
ang
Hi,
paa.
Chi.
Hi, Chi. Chi.
Ayan, I'm currently bibigay ko na sa inyo yung cake, guys. Ayan, bibigay ko na sa inyo yung cake.
Gawin niyo na ulit.
May second
tanggapin
batch
niyo
pa
na.
ako. Ubusin ko ulit.
Tanggapin niyo na chat.
Ay, nyam, 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 nyam,
Ayan,
nyam,
tanggapin niyo
nyam,
na.
nyam,
Yum, yum, yum.
Ayan,
ubos na.
ayan, patanggapin niyo na.
Thank you po si Sharon.
Ayan,
Sharon.
shinaron yung buong cake. Hello, Fenrir. Welcome to the stream. How you doing
Sharon.
again? Welcome back. And also, ayan. Ayan.
Welcome
Gusto, yung mga,
here.
sa mga hindi pa nakakatanggap ng slice, ayan, ito pala ito yung slice. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oh, ayan.
Wala, meron na
Tanggapin
naman.
nyo na.
Ubusin
Tanggapin nyo
namin
na. Ubusin natin to. Ubusin natin to.
Vince, ubusin natin, Vince.
Pag pag nawala yung cake, kasalanan na ni Ann. Ali, 3, 2,
Hindi na ako yung kinain.
Ayan. Ayan, 3, 2, 1. Ayan.
It's yummy.
I really love
Ano
the
nangyayari kapag nawala yung cake?
Wala, ubus na.
Pag nawala yung cake, ubos na. Ubos na.
Papagaling.
Ubos na.
Kahabolan
Eh.
ba ako ni Kuya LTG ng ano?
Ng isang batch.
Ng belt?
Chocolate naman. Chocolate
Hello,
naman
Tavern.
yung cake.
Welcome to the
Chocolate
stream.
flavor.
Chocolate flavor.
naman.
Chocolate flavored cake. Wait lang, may
Dubai
nag-ano pa ba? May
chocolate.
nag-renly pa ba ngayon? Wait lang, check ko lang kung may mag-renly pa. Parang wala pa yata. I will check. Oh, wala pa.
Chat message niyo
Happy
na si
birthday
Kuya
to you.
LTG.
Sabi daw ni Kyle, happy birthday
take
to
the
you,
whole
LTG. Praying
No.
that your wishes come true. Thank you so much, Kyle. Thank you so much, Kyle. Thank you so much. By the way, Chi, ba't hindi ka nagsasalita?
Tahimik lang.
Nonchalant.
Si Chi,
Ayan na,
si Chi, nahihiya talaga. Nahihiya si Chi ngayon.
Yan talaga.
Si Lux, kanina
Z-
dumaan si Lux.
Z
Ba't hindi?
said,
Papa,
she'll take the whole cake.
Uy!
Oh no.
No, don't take the whole cake.
Don't
No.
take the whole cake. No, Z, don't take the whole
That's
cake.
mine.
Okay.
Bayaran mo
That's mine. It's mine.
Bayaran mo
Happy birthday to you, LTG. Why do you call it strawberry when there is no straw? Sabi daw ni,
Lagyan ng straw.
sabi daw ni, Kyle, why do you call strawberry there's no straw?
Jay.
Aray, 4. Thank you so much for the 4, roses ba yun? Or for the 5 roses. Thank you so
You're
much.
awesome. You're
Aray,
awesome.
dalawa na. Ayan na, nag-stop na yung watermelon. Oh my goodness.
Ayan
May
na.
roses ulit.
Ayan,
4
aray.
roses.
For the 4 roses, hello, Z. Yeah, the watermelons. Imagine if may nag-spam ng 100 talaga sa akin. O nga pala, chat.
Another
Again.
Lagi.
Ano lang to During my birthday, mangyayari lang to. If
yan,
if
Kuya LTG?
if I have 1K or technically Galaxy or anything 1K related, 1K coins, anything 1K coins.
1K.
Pero mas better para makita ko kagad Galaxy.
Kuya LTG.
I will draw I will do the maid outfit automatically, okay?
Yan guys.
Kuya LTG. Kuya LTG.
Yan guys. Keep note.
Kuya.
Panggap na lang, hindi ko nakita.
Ano yan?
Tumatanggap ka ba ng 1K na kiss?
Oy!
Nope.
1K na peso.
Nope agad.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Hello,
Sayang,
dito pala
sabi ko
mas
na sana
maingay.
kay
Yeah.
Miss Dachi.
Hello, JK. Welcome
Sabi
to
ko
the
na sana
stream.
kay Miss Dachi. Sayang.
Oh.
I'm about to update her.
Imagine may nagbigay talaga sa akin ng Galaxy ito. Bigla ako nag-change talaga ng outfit dito.
Kung mayaman lang ako.
Nag-withdraw ako ng money. Uy, patay.
Ayan.
Okay, baba
Please,
natin
the
yung
goat.
presyo.
Nako po, ayan na si Z. Patay tayo dyan. Nako po. Oh no.
Yan na.
Oh
Keep note sa
no.
mapaging pasok.
Oh!
Ano lang to?
si Z pala.
Only applicable on my born day right now. Only applicable my born day. I will
Z
ano,
the goat.
TikTok baka naman ayusin yung app nyo.
TikTok
Wala tayong
algorithm,
magagawa.
ayusin nyo for once.
Wala tayong magagawa.
No choice.
It's too late to apologize. Z the goat. Oh no, ayan na nga. Ayan na nga. Kinakabahan na ako, chat, ngayon.
Rating, do your
Kinakabahan na ako, chat, ngayon, chat. Kinakabahan na. I have someone I can set. Hello, Rain! Welcome to the stream. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. By the way, if you want to
Wait, Rain
again,
is here?
nasa nasa
Where?
kabila. Nasa kabila.
Oh, nasa purple up.
Oh no. Wait lang. Ayun, yun
Ayan.
Hi, Rain.
Hi,
Hi,
Rain.
Rain. Hi, Rain.
I'll go to sleep. Go lang, go lang. Ayan. Okay. Ligtas. Ligtas tayo
Wala,
ngayon.
nawala.
Ligtas.
Sumuko.
Ligtas tayo.
No.
Ligtas.
Ay, hindi. Aabangan ka
Bawiin
yan
ang
mamaya.
book title.
Next stream mo,
Babawiin
aabangan
ko
ka
ang
yan.
book title.
Aabangan ka
Ibaba
yan.
ang presyo.
Aabangan ka nun yan.
Hindi, imagine
ko
kung si Dice nag-send sa akin ng ng 1K. Patay tayo dyan. Wala akong kawala.
Ayun.
Wala akong kawala.
Patay.
As in, wala akong kawala. Like, oh no, what would I actually do now? What would I actually do now? Like what? Like, how would I actually entertain my viewers after that? Hello, Twix. Welcome to the stream. How you doing?
Yes, it Twigs.
Again, 1K coins or ano ba sa equivalent sa purple app? Ano kaya maganda equivalent sa purple app? 10 subs. 10
Wait
subs.
lang.
Yan.
10 subs yun. Or gifted subs, ganun.
10 subs or
Yo, that's a lot.
1K coins
That's a lot.
or ayan. Hindi kasi ang taya ko dito dignidad.
Oo.
Diba?
Great outfit. Yeah.
Nako.
Shout out po kay Kyle na sa purple. Diba? Tama naman ako, diba? At ang taya dito, yung digdinan lang bakit ng karakter ko dito. Kaya please, please don't redeem it, okay? Don't redeem it the galaxy. And hello, no, welcome to the stream. How are you doing, everyone?
No.
Oh my gosh, top 30 na.
Yeah, 12:30 na. Yan. 30 minutes before I go, chat. 30 minutes before I go. Ayan. We are still open for the
4 minutes before I go.
Ano na yan yung outfit na yan, sakto na yan hanggang birthday. The duration of my born day. Hello, Z. It's actually 12:26.
After stream lang siguro si Shashi magsasabi si happy birthday. Nako.
Quarter na.
And this is Sashi nag-live eh. This is Sashi nag-live. Hello, Rain. Welcome to the stream. How you doing?
Welcome.
Birthday mo pala, yeah. And indeed. This is actually my birthday right now. Hello, everyone. How are you doing?
Rain!
Kuya.
Chi.
Parang gusto ko talaga na kauyo with.
Ano yan?
Gusto ko na kauyo yung buhok ko.
Yung buhok mo raw.
Yung buhok mo daw na-comment yun.
Ayoko nang bumalik ka. Please. Ayoko nang bumalik.
Pakitanggal yung extension.
No, ayoko nang bumalik. No.
Extension.
Yung papapuli page ang wig nyo po.
Di ba fully
Di pa fully paid yan. Di pa fully paid.
Store pa po.
Inutang mo pala yan eh.
Inutak ko yung wig. Grabe naman yun. Grabe naman yun.
Di ba
Oh, Rain. Audience. Kuya DJ. Rain.
Sari Store.
Okay, wait a minute.
Audience.
Si Rain.
Ayan na si Ren.
Hi, Rain.
Hi, Ren.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Ren. Ayan,
Birthday mo pala. Wow.
Happy birthday to me.
Yay!
Oh my days. What if kinain ko na pala yung buong
Sino?
Nakakatulog
Wala
ka
naman
pa ba?
ganun. Wala-
Kanina
Bigyan mo
pa
ng
ubos
1,000.
yan. Kanina
bigyan
pa
mo muna
ubos
siyang
yung
1,000.
cake.
Bigyan mo muna
Gusto ko
siyang
yung
1,000.
hotdog na may ano, may marshmallow.
Ay,
seryoso?
hotdog na may marshmallow
It's
na
either,
naka, ano,
it's
na
either,
naka-stick
eto lang,
sa
it's
banana.
either I got custom IG, cash na IG, tapos, or directly on the coins or on the TikTok subs. TikTok subs is, mali pala. Purple up subs.
Purple up
Ah,
subs. Yeah.
I will do the outfit, the maid outfit. Yeah.
Wala
Right.
bang sneak peek dyan?
Right. Walang sneak peek. As in, walang sneak peek.
Bawal daw po
Kay Miss Tachi lang daw meron.
Pinakita ko kay Dachi eh. Yeah, pinakita ko kay Dachi.
Dachi
Hello,
lang
Carla.
daw.
Welcome to the stream. How you doing?
Sikreto lang daw. Sa kanila ang dalaw.
When for free?
Yan,
No.
guys, nakita ko na yun.
Kakasabi ko lang siya. Tinataya ko dito. Digdit.
Bigyan mo na, mawa ka na bigyan mo na 1,000 agad. 1,000 coins. Bibigyan niyo sa isang buong cake. 1,000 na. Diretso.
Meron na for free.
Oo. Walang libre dito.
Tama.
Napabayad. 1,000
1K coins, straight
Oh,
for
yun.
cake.
Ayun, patay.
Matik na yan, chat. Ayan, I will add the, tawag dito, yung,
May
I
dapat
will,
bayad.
quote unquote, yung, alam niyo yung sa poker, all in.
Okay,
All in.
Gamble na naman.
Okay.
Yung all in natin yung, yung maid outfit kung ginawa niyo yan, chat. Yan. I'll think about it. Okay. Yan. May
Ay,
mga
so
about
it's
30 minutes pa kayo.
30.
30 minutes pa bago kayo
Yeah.
magbago
It's
na
my
isip.
time to,
What if, ako na lang send din yun. Hello, Junsian. Welcome to the stream. How you doing, everyone? Kamusta kayo? It is my birthday stream right now. Happy birthday to me! Let's go! Yippee!
That is my time to vanish.
What do you mean about that? Thank you so much,
I
Nox,
still
for
have
the
classes
rose.
later.
for the rose,
Actually, sobrang
for the
aga
rose
ko,
again.
Magising mamaya.
Sige lang, An. Ingat ka.
7 a.m.
Ay, sige, eto na lang. Matutulog ako maaga ngayon, pero eto guys.
Happy birthday daw.
Mag-aano ako. Wait,
Sabi
nasa
ni
si
Sashi, happy birthday
Sashi? Nasa si Sashi?
Nandun sa live, kinaano niya, nagsabi siya sa Steam.
Sige. Wait lang. Thank you so much, Sashi, for the, tao dito. For the for the greeting. Maraming salamat. Wala pa ba final look for, wala pa. Wala pang birthday greeting yan. Wala pa. Thank you so much for the finger heart, Nox. Ito lang. Chat, I think, sige, dahil anong oras na rin kasi, like 12:32. I think I will end this live for a little while. Pero sa Purple app, I will raid someone. So, much better kung nasa Purple app kayo para masama yung mga viewers na magre-raid sa Purple app. Yan. I will raid I will raid the best viewers na ko rin. Yan. Okay, here we go. So, I will raid Mel. I will raid Mel with a C right now. So, you can actually see the open up yan. So, you can actually raid our stream. So, I will do streams next time. Probably mamaya hapon kung wala talagang mangyari. Wala talagang mangyari. So, yeah.
Oo.
So, I will do the raid right now. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Please follow An, Chi, the VTuber that Rain, Yasashi, Binsmark in the ano na yun, in the speakers right now. Thank you so much, guys.
Twitch, guys,
As always, goodbye. And
Bye.
have a good vibes. What?
Bye.
Let's go. Bye, guys.
Happy birthday.
Happy
New
birthday to me. Let's go.
Happy birthday, happy Valentine.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Ayun na, okay na. 3, 2, 1.
One.
Bye.